Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a shout out to Leo. If you're on Instagram, his screen name is LM4Photo. He did a giveaway a couple days ago and I actually ended up winning. What it was is he was having everybody follow Custom Dynamics, and like I said, he did a drawing and I ended up winning it. So Custom Dynamics sent me a set of their ProBeam turn signals. I told him I wanted the front turn signals because I already have Custom Dynamics lights in the back of my motorcycle. So today we're going to get these out of the package and install them in my bike and show you how simple it is. Alright, let's open these up. Alright guys, here we have them, the Custom Dynamics ProBeam LED turn signals. Having LED lights on your motorcycle is really important. People don't see motorcycles to begin with, so in my opinion, I want to put as many lights on my bike as I can so that maybe other traffic will be able to see me just a little bit better. Currently I have a different brand of LED turn signal. Let's get the Custom Dynamics ProBeam turn signals in there and see how different that looks. Okay, to remove the turn signals on your Harley-Davidson street glide, you're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. And we're going to need to take this outer cover off. You'll notice that around the edge of these plastic covers is a little notch, and that's where you're going to put your Phillips screwdriver. Simply twist and it comes right off. We're going to take this other brand of LED turn signal out. Okay, now we're going to install our new Custom Dynamics light. We're simply going to take a flat blade screwdriver, insert it, twist, and you're done. Now we want to take this and twist all that extra wiring up into the housing. And then we'll install the cover. And there's that tab I was telling you about. I always make sure to put those on the bottom. And there you have it. The cover's been installed. Now let's see what it looks like. I don't know how well y'all are going to be able to see this, but man, these Custom Dynamics lights are super bright. Leo, thanks again for doing the giveaway, and Custom Dynamics, I really appreciate you sending me a set of your lights. Everybody else, y'all make sure you go to Custom Dynamics page and check out these ProBeam turn signals. They're awesome. I appreciate you guys watching and checking in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all ride safe.